Okay, we're playing hide and go seek, and I'm it. And Liz is going and hiding, and I gotta go find her. Which I will. Don't worry, because this is my house. I know where everything is. Are you ready? Yeah? Okay, I'm going to find her. It is dark.
Oh dear. Go!
You can't face me. I'm going to...
Okay. Oh yeah. Okay. Let's go. Hi.
Just a big foot. No cheating.
I'm not cheating. She had to hurry up. Okay. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Under the bed. Damn it, where'd she go? You're a cheater. What?
Up here.
Up here? Are you up there?
Yeah?
I don't want to go up there. It's creepy. Dude, what if I fall down the stairs? I'm not going to look. Oh my god, you're a faggot!
I pulled my shirt and scared the shit. I'm really scared because I scared the shit out of me.
Have a sexy ass. Shake it, girl. This is a documentary on the filming of the vagina. Hannah, how does the vagina work?
There's this hole, and then there's...
Down there?
Yeah. And then there's the lips, and then there's the clit, and then everyone loves to play with that.
Well, duh. Hannah likes to have her